This is my school. My school is a temple of learning. I go to school to learn and study. In school, we learn reading and writing. We learn to do sums. My teacher teaches me dance and music. We learn drawing and coloring. And my teacher also teaches me PT, that is physical training. Our teacher helps us to learn all these things. I love my school very much. The principal is head of school. We love and respect the principal and all our teachers. My school has a big building. It has the following rooms. Classroom, where we study. Library, from where we borrow the books. Staff room, where teachers sit. Principal room, where principal sits. Playground, where we play. Office, where we pay our fees. Many activities and functions are held in my school. I like my school and all teachers very much. Points to remember. We come to school to learn and study. At school, we learn lot of things. Our teachers help us to learn. Match the following. On one side, I have written the rooms, and other side, I have written the activities. You have to match them. Playground. What do we do in playground? Do we study in playground? No. Do we borrow books from playground? No. We play in playground. Library. What do we do in library? Do we learn singing in library? No. We borrow books from library. What do we do in music room? Yes. We learn singing in music room. Classroom. What do we do in classroom? Yes. We study in classroom. Staff room. Teachers sit in the staff room. So, in playground we play. From library we borrow the books. In music room we learn to sing. In classroom we study. And in staff room teachers sit. Does your school have these? Put a tick mark for yes and put cross for no. Clinic. My school does not have a clinic. Library. My school has a library. Classroom. My school has a classroom. Swimming pool. My school does not have a swimming pool. Office. My school has an office. Playground. My school has a playground. Hair cutting room. My school does not have hair cutting room. Bedroom. My school does not have bedroom. Staff room. My school has a staff room. Garage. My school does not have a garage. Friends, I have written an activity on board. You have to solve it on your own. Answer the following. The name of my school is. My class teacher's name is. My principal's name is. My school is located at. I study in. My roll number is.